This is a block of wood. If you let go, it falls straight down. But if you attach a wing to it, its descent slows. When a strong wind blows, the wood is carried forward before it finally touches the ground. That's because the wing moves relative to the air, generating an upward lifting force. From this simple observation, you draw inspiration. You build two wings out of wooden boards and enlarge them proportionally to gain more lift. To keep the structure rigid, you reinforce it with hollow steel tubes and steel wires. This is your wing assembly. You realize that lift alone isn't enough. You need a steady flow of air. So with your own hands, you construct a small engine and mount it beneath the lower wing. You connect it to a propeller. When the engine starts, the propeller spins, pushing air backward. According to reaction force, the aircraft gains forward thrust. It begins to move, and then it takes off. But flying straight isn't enough. You need to climb, descend, turn, and stay stable. So you place an elevator at the front of the wings. Two control cables run from the elevator to a control stick. When you pull the stick back, the elevator tilts upward, catching more airflow and lifting the nose. Push the stick forward and the elevator tilts down, lowering the aircraft. Now you can control pitch to make the aircraft turn. You install cables on both sides of the wings. When you pull the right side cable, the right wing rises. The raised wing captures more airflow, producing greater lift and tilting the aircraft. However, this creates a problem. The raised wing also experiences more air resistance, causing the plane to yaw dangerously. To counter this, you add a rudder at the rear. The rudder is cross-linked to the wing cables. When you pull the right wing to initiate a left turn, the rudder automatically deflects left. Its air resistance perfectly offsets the imbalance between the wings. The aircraft now turns smoothly and safely. And just like that, congratulations, you have invented the first airplane in human history.